How to set price alerts on Webull account. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you set price alerts on Webull account. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open Webull account on your device. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Webull account, you will got such interface. So from here you will have to tap on menu option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you have to scroll down and go with the section messages. So from there you will have to go with the option price alert. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to go with the settings just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from the alerts and preference section you have to turn on this automatic alert option. So you have to turn on this, and now from here as you can also set the price movement. So from here you can set the alert condition like when price move 5%, price move 10%, or hit a new 52-week high. So from here you can set the price movement, or now on the stock and alert scope you can also set the settings to positions or positions and watch list. So from here you can set the settings, and now from there you will be able to set the alerts on Webull accounts, and also from here you can set the custom ringtone for the alerts. And one thing for this, you will have to also allow this app for the notification on your device. So simply you have to allow the app for the notification, and from there you can set the price alerts on the Webull account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.